I'm Tom Trimmer with Custom Marine Products, and today I'm going to show you our rail-mounted carbon fiber panel, our solution for rail mounting. So we took Seadog clamps, all sorts of adhesive. We put them on the back here. So you clip them on your rail, and then boom, adjust them to the sun, or if you're coming into dock, you can put them down flat. And I guess that's all there is to show you. You adjust them by hand. This is carbon fiber backed, right? So it has some give to it, but it's real stiff, real robust. Can take a lot of abuse. Has our usual A+ grade SunPower 24.4% efficient cells, and then the panel split in two. So if this is shaded, this produces power, and then the cells themselves are also shade tolerant. So you can shade a little bit of the cell, and the whole panel continues to produce power. It has the ETFE laminate that doesn't go milky and doesn't crack, and we have that on the back as well. Yeah, and again, this is a 100-watt carbon fiber rail-mounted panel.